This video will review the basic key features and operations that users will need to know and will be demonstrated as follows on a VJ-3 video borescope. To turn the video borescope on or off, press and hold the power on/off button. The joystick controls articulation of the tip. The 2.2mm borescope features two-way articulation, while all remaining borescopes we offer feature full 360-degree articulation. To adjust the lighting, use the brightness control button. To switch between still photo, video, and playback mode, press the live camera, video, image preview button. To capture an inspection photo, while the borescope is in camera mode, press the trigger button under the handle grip or the camera video button. To record a video while in video mode, press the trigger button under the handle grip or the camera video button to both start or stop a video recording. To review your images and videos, press the live camera, video, image preview button. If you are operating a dual camera, to switch between the front-facing and 90-degree camera, press the menu key to select camera switch, and then press the menu key again to switch to the 90-degree camera. The same process is utilized to revert to the forward-facing camera. To remove images from the SD card with the provided ViewTech SD card reader and SD card, insert the SD card into the SD card reader and connect the USB portion to your laptop or PC. The computer should always detect the SD card files, allowing you to review inspection images and videos. Finally, you are also able to use the included micro USB cable to connect the video borescope directly to a laptop or PC. After connecting the borescope to the computer, power on the unit to review inspection images and videos. Note, this will also charge the video borescope's battery.